Danush and you're watching me and personal assistant. Today we are going to see about how to drink the water the perfect way. This might seem very silly for many people, but it's actually a bitter truth that we are drinking water the wrong way. And today I'm going to fix it. So please watch this video fully and please subscribe to our channel. Let's hop into the video. And first of all, I don't want to say how important is it to stay hydrated and drink water, because you know it, our body is 75% made up of water, so you know it how much important is it to drink water and stay hydrated. So let's see how to drink it correctly. Too much of anything is not good, we know that, and that's applicable to water too. The first time that you want to drink water is as soon as you get up. The next second that you get up, you should drink the water, even before brushing your teeth. This might be seems very silly to many people, and they would consider it as very bad. But this is what the scientist and the scientific research says, that you should drink water even before brushing your teeth. It's that much good for your health that it drains out all the toxins out of your body. Your organs and you have been in rest for several hours, nearly 8 or 10 hours. And when you drink water, it hydrates them and activates all the organs. So it is very good to drink water as soon as you wake up. It's the first time that you should drink water in the day, that is as soon as you wake up. And the next and the second point, that is you are drinking the water in wrong way, is drinking it before and after your lunch, as soon as you finished your lunch meals, whatever it may be. Because scientists says after a lunch or before a lunch, our stomach should have that acidic feel, so that it could digest the foods and get the nutrients to all the body parts. But when you drink water and make the acidic feel into dilute, then it's really difficult for our system to digest the food and everything. So we are making it tough, and that's why many face digestive problem. They drink liters of water after soon they finish their meals. They are saying that you drink the water half an hour before you are taking the food and 1 hour after you have finished your food. That's really good. Yeah, it sounds really difficult. I have also tried it, but due to in our conditions we are eating very spicy food, and at that time it's really tough to skip drinking water after the meal. So if you want, you can drink. The third thing that I want to say you is not to gulp the water instantly and drink it sip by sip, because the saliva in our mouth is basic in nature and our stomach is acidic in nature. When you drink the water very fast, it doesn't take that basic from our mouth, so it doesn't balance the pH of our stomach. The fourth mistake that you make while drinking water is drinking cold water. If you have joint pains or indigestion or breathing trouble or sore throat, these are all due to cold water drinking practice. The ideal temperature of water to be drunk is the room water temperature, but if you want, you can also drink a lukewarm or a room temperature. That's it. No other is good for health. Mama, I need some more water. But too much of water is good for health now. Mama, I need some more water. What? Yeah? What? Personal assistant. Who is that? His video? Did he say that drinking too much water is bad for health? Okay? It should be drink sip by sip. What this guy is saying? Who is that personal assistant? He must be a fool. Stop asking that guy. And he is saying everything wrong. Yeah. Too much of water is also bad for health. Some people are drinking water very forcefully, that some have said that more water, more health. But it's completely wrong. If you drink too much water, the sodium that in your body becomes dilute, that the water tends to move inside your cell and make it swelling, and it causes many health problems. That's why our ancient pointers said too much of anything is bad for health. The next bad thing that you do while drinking water is drinking it standing. Yeah, when you drink the water standing, your kidney couldn't filter it, but you are drinking water standing or even running these days. So sit and slowly sip the water. That's the best way to drink it. And now let's see how much water and which utensil and when to drink the water. How much water should I drink? It depends on your conditions, climate, your body weight and many things. So I would say drink water whenever you feel thirsty, but not compulsorily. And the one time that you should never skip drinking water is as soon as you wake up. That's the only condition I would say. And I would say, and don't drink water before and after meal. At least keep a gap of half an hour or 1 hour. Please, that's good for health. And in which utensil should I drink water? Drinking water in any utensil is good for health. Water is everything in this world, and it gives glow to your life. but drink it in the right way. Basically, that's all for this video, and I will see you in another video. Until then, bye from Danush. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Importantly, share this video because many are drinking water in the wrong way. So please share this video. It would be very, very helpful for all the people. Okay, thirsty? Okay. Personal assistant is the best. Please try to follow him.